together. Now here are the pieces that I pulled, just a few cute ones and some pink. We've got some gorgeous bubblegum pink, so I'm excited. Let's try on. What are you thinking about this? Definitely highlighting here, so here's the price if you want to try. They didn't have a size 6, so I had to go with an 8. Hopefully the proportions won't be too long. So this is it on without the jacket, but I can't do this right now. I need to figure this out because I'm not feeling that, but that's looking cute. Okay, let's pair it with the jacket. So it's a no for me. I'm going to pair these two together now. So this really cute monochrome moment. Oh, I didn't even notice it had a split. So yeah, we're gonna try this with this cute Bardo top, and we're going to do the pink tweed jacket on top. So let's try. It's a no, but it's cute. I love this, but there's no size extra small, and I don't know. I don't think I'm loving it, but it's cute. I do already have something similar, but yeah, I'm not in love with it enough to buy it and have it altered to the fullest. So it's a no. What do you think? Do you ladies like this? Let me know in the comments. I've just left H&M and I'm going to make my way to Harrods now. I am going full pink throttle. Hope you can hear me. Full pink throttle today. Pink coat, pink scarf. My mum gave this to me. Pink. It's just all very pink, very Barbie-esque, but we're just going to go with it. So yes, going to have a nice stroll down to Harrods now and also get my steps in. So yeah, let's go. Just behind me is Goodman on Maddox Street, and that's a good place for you to go if you want to meet more, you know, eclectic men. That's a good place. So yeah, just behind me on this side, Goodman on Maddox Street. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you in Harrods. This is also another pub where you can get the same kind of gentleman. So yeah, this is also on Maddox Street, and it's a really classic traditional British pub. Really cute lighting, and yeah. Right now I'm in Burlington Arcade and I had to show you this. Look at the pink. It's so pretty and shiny and sparkly. But yeah, these earrings are super cute, and yeah, some other bits and bobs. Really pretty. I'm not really an emerald green person, although I do have an emerald green dress that I actually love, but but yeah, some really cute and classic pieces as well. The plan is to continue getting our steps in, so we're going to walk through here and straight down, then we're going to go over to Knightsbridge. Let's go, let's get our steps in. And typical London, something's kicking off. I just had to stop for a minute just to admire the architecture here in London because it's absolutely stunning, and some of you might be maybe coming here to visit, or maybe this will inspire you to want to come. I'm going to show you this little bus a bit closer up. Some of you ladies message me and you say that you're coming to London to visit, and something like this, a London bus tour, would be really good for you, especially right now with the glorious weather. I mean, this is like perfect to be on one of these buses today, or if you're coming in the warmer months coming up. There's also something else you can do if you're coming here to visit, which is an afternoon tea bus tour, which is really fun. I did it with my mum and my sisters, I think in December or something. So yeah, in December we did that, and it was so much fun. They do them throughout the year, it's not only at Christmas time. And I'll insert a clip here right now of when I went, of my Instagram reel. So we're outside Harrods, and they have all of these kind of multicolored dots, which I don't love. I think it's supposed to be like splats of paint or something, but I'm not in love with this. Going from the Dior to this, it just, I don't know, not loving it. And over here we have a giant painter, and she's getting to work over there, honey. So yeah, this is huge, definitely eye-catching. We have the dots continuing and literally everywhere. So I found the pop-up and I'm currently in the queue waiting. So it's this area over here, and I believe that there's some sort of machine in there that you're able to play with or something, I don't know. We'll figure it out, and yeah, we'll check it out. But there are quite a few people in the queue, so I'm waiting patiently.
Here, and the camera's up top, and it's going to print out a single copy.
4, 3, 2, 1.
No, this is not okay. My pictures are not okay. Yeah, I pressed done and then it went. Okay. So I'm on my last one.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, here we go. Perfect. Okay, I have. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. So I got some pictures and now I'm going into this room. So, okay, thanks. Ooh. Wow. I have to say, maybe the dots are actually growing on me a little bit. So it's an artist who has designed all of this, clearly. And I mean, it's quite memorable. So yeah, dots everywhere. It's kind of cute. What do you think? Do you ladies like this? You think it looks pretty or memorable? Even though it's kind of giving me children's birthday party, but yeah, definitely memorable. So in the other room, I was able to take photos in the photo booth, and this is the best I could come up with, like seriously. So there's a robot somewhere and we're going to see her. This is the robot. She's somewhere around, and yeah, I want to find her, but yeah, super cute. Okay, let's leave here. I've had enough.
Just let you know, this one for go around, and when you really press the red button for grab it. So first of all, you have to target one ball only. You just focus on one ball.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Here you go.
Perfect.
Yay! Let me open for you.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Yay! Are we liking the polka dot bags? Let me know what you think. I think I might get a cake from here now. Hi! Are these nice?
Yeah.
The chocolate one. So I just picked up one of the cute cakes and I'm going to demolish that a little bit later. So yeah, in there. And I won from that machine, and the photos, I have 2 lots because I'm a little bit silly and I didn't realize that I'd done the first one because it didn't come out. So yay. Okay, I think it's time to head home. So I've just seen on this side that she is styled and she has a cute bag. Okay, so she has a huge bag, and inside I couldn't see the robot, so I didn't look around for it because I just want to get home. I was also going to head into Zara, but to be honest, I can't be bothered. Maybe in my next vlog I'll do that. We can go to Zara and have a look around, because I really do need like some new day dresses, and one of you girlies told me that there are more tweed pieces there, and I would love to have a new tweed dress for every day. That would be good. I'm going to end this vlog here and yeah, make my way home, have something to eat. I will see you ladies in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. So I just wanted to actually end this with a little story time, something that just happened. So I was walking past, wow, there's a huge crow right there. Aww. So I was going past this group of guys. There were 3 men standing just like on the pavement, and I was going past. They were in conversation. As soon as I was approaching, then they stopped. One of them turned because obviously he heard the footwear. And then they were all standing like against the wall so that they could all look. Excuse me. The conversation completely stopped when I was walking past and when I was approaching. Those kinds of situations can be uncomfortable sometimes, but you just have to remember that, okay, I'm that girl, and you know, you just have to remember that, you know, they're looking for a reason and it's positive. So yeah, I just wanted to address that because some of you might experience that and not know how to deal with it. but you literally just keep your head held high and you walk past with confidence and not bashing into the wall, but you walk past with confidence and elegance as well, you know. So yeah, don't make anybody make you feel uncomfortable, even though they're not trying to. It can be a bit awkward sometimes when you can hear a pin drop and everybody's staring at you walking past. Besides that, I had nice interactions today, and yeah, people being really friendly, and yeah, everything was really positive. Even inside the Louis Vuitton pop-up as well, the staff were really friendly as well. So yeah, anyway, now I am officially ending the vlog. So yeah, I will see you ladies in my next video tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to end off this vlog with more of like a positive note, and help you to understand why I am doing these vlogs. Of course, because I've been asked to do them, they've been requested, but more than that, I want you to see me going out by myself, and then you'll be able to see that you can do it as well. It's not that difficult, it's not that nerve-wracking, and you know, I'm out vlogging by myself, you know, I'm doing all of these things. Another thing that's been requested is for me to go out to eat by myself. So yeah, I'll try to remember, and we will do that at some point. I really like to enjoy my food and masticate, as they say. I think it's mastication, where you just eat your food and be quiet. That's something I like to do when I'm actually by myself. One day when I'm really feeling in the mood, I'll bring you with me, and you can, you know, sit at the table with me and see how I do things. On that note, I'm going to love you and leave you here, and I'll see you in my video tomorrow.